So it's going to be above normal temperatures this weekend. Southwest wind 10 to 20 miles per hour. So we have a fire danger and a red flag warning is in effect for western and central Missouri from late morning until early evening. So it's going to be high winds. It's warmer than usual. And any rain. So they put a fire ban out. Yep, that's pretty much it. Let me move my little camera thing over. Okay. So the red area is where the fire burn is. And yep. We'll look at that on the topographical. We'll look at that in the actual botanical map. It shows the topography and the greenery. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this whole area is pretty much dried out, and they're destroying it on a daily basis. So they salt the roads. It hasn't rained. They salt the roads, and they're doing a lot of that weather modification stuff. So it's been pretty dry. Anyway, this is the area that I'm working this season, and yeah, as you can tell, I live amongst a bunch of idiots. Okay. So, pretty much flats with pine and oak. Pine, oak, and hickory. That's pretty much what we got. Alright, let me get out of here. Let's go